Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa Glam. Today we're going to be trying out the Baby Got Peach palette by Colourpop. So I'm actually super excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. If you hear a baby in the background, Abella is about to wake up right now. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. I'm actually super excited to try this out. Ooh. Look at that. Super, I don't know what I'm gonna do first. I think I'm gonna start off with Half Baked, which is this one right here. I'm gonna put that on my entire lid. It's basically gonna be the whole base color. So now that we have this color on my eyes, this is gonna be a very simple look today, like nothing too crazy. Maybe a little bit crazy because I love glitter. And then we're gonna go with Okay, or Ochre. I don't know. It's like this. It's like this peachish orange color. I'm just gonna blend that on the outer corner. These colors are very similar to each other, so if you can't tell like a big difference, like that's the whole point of the palette. But there is a difference in color. I'm gonna blend that above my crease, right under my brow bone, and drag it over. And then we're gonna go in with Get Even, which is this really pretty color right here. I'm just gonna take my finger into it. So put down the center of my lid. I'm gonna drag it up. Oh, that's so pretty, guys. I hope you guys can see that. How gorgeous it looks. So pretty. I like it because it's peach and like a gold shift. Like, so pretty. Oh my gosh. So pigmented too. We love pigment. Alright, so that's how we're looking. This is what it looks like. It's coming out so pretty already. Like, you could definitely like, stop here and be done with it, but me being extra, I'm gonna add some of that chunky glitter. So I'm just taking Okay. I'm just saying Okay because I'm not saying that word. I'm just gonna take Okay again and just blend it so that it doesn't look too crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with Hungry Ghost, which is this really pretty chunky glitter. I'm gonna try it on a brush first to see how that works. I don't know if it'll work out good, but I'm gonna try it. So I have some on my brush. I'm just gonna. Oh wow. I'm just patting it on, keeping it in the center of my eye. That's gorgeous. Oh wow. It's so pretty. Oh wow. I keep saying oh wow, but it's so gorgeous. I don't know if this camera's giving it justice, like it's gorgeous. Same on the other side. I'll just use the mirror and the palette. It'll be easier. Take the plastic off. Okay. Maybe you guys can see a little bit better if I use this mirror. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I'm just packing on that chunky glitter. Bella's starting to rise and shine. Look how pretty that is. You can't tell me that's not gorgeous. And now we're gonna go back in with Half Baked and Okay. I'm gonna mix them together. And put that on my lower lash line. I always love to do my lower lash line because it just makes it look more cohesive. Same thing. There's my baby. You probably hear her. Yeah, mommy doing makeup, baby. And with the Hungry Ghost shade again, gold glitter. I'm just taking a little bit. I'm gonna stick it on my lower lash. I put on a little bit of glitter. Definitely use a glitter glue if you're gonna do it on your lower lash line. Be very, very careful not to get into your eyes, because if you guys didn't see, is I got a bunch of glitter in my eyes. So I started panicking, so I paused the video and I started like getting the glitter on my eyes. It was just like a big, big mess. So be smart. Don't do that. Use a glitter glue and you should be okay. Alright, so my daughter's out of her crib, so if you hear me talking to someone, it's her. And she's probably doing something she's not supposed to do. So I'm going to use this new eyeliner I got. It's Ilia. I don't know, some like fancy eyeliner. Expensive eyeliner too, by the way. It's my first time using it. And I think you shake, shush, you shake it. And then I'm going to try to use this eyeliner. I'm nervous. It's supposed to be a matte black. Oh wow. I don't really already like it. Let's see. I like how thin the tip is, and it's very flexible, so it's easy to like do your eyeliner. Oh, this is worth the money. It's expensive, but worth it. Whoa, this eyeliner is definitely worth it. If I figure out the price, I'll put it right here. But it's really expensive foundation all over my face. All over my hands. Alright, so now we're going to do mascara. Keep it shut, Abella. I'm looking at you. Yes, I see what you're doing, so stop. So now we're going to do mascara. I'll let you on the camera in a minute.
Okay.
Abella wants to be on camera. Using this one right here. This is the color Intense. Until you leave that alone. Bella, you hear me? What did I just say? Don't give me a smile. No, I like the red a lot better. Bella, knock it off. I could use that lipstick as the blush, since I do need to put blush on. So I'm just gonna put the lipstick on the back of my hand. You come alright. You come alright. Come alright. You'll stay alright. So this is the look I created with. I used the Baby Up Peach palette. So let's say hi to my beautiful 2-year-old Bella. Come on, sit down. Come say hi. Come on. She's coming. Just chocolate on her face, by the way, if you're wondering what this is. She was eating Ferrero Rocher before she took her nap. You had chocolate all over you, Butts. How did the glitter on you? Girl. Maybe I got it on her. I don't know. Sit down more. Look right here. Say hi.
Hi.
She doesn't know which way to look. Say hi, my boys. Say I love you. Okay, my baby. Here's my little baby. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I know it was kind of all over the place, but it is what it is. I do like the Baby Got Peach palette. Definitely worth the price. Definitely worth the price. And definitely check out this Isla. I'm not sponsored, by the way. It's Ilia? Midnight Express. They use like all clean products, I guess, for the company. It is more of a high-end company in eyeliner and makeup in general, but definitely check them out. I am going to be doing like a whole haul video because they sent me a whole box of makeup, but like I said, I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to like, no. Someone's lipstick gun. But I'm not getting paid to like show you guys their products. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say bye-bye.
Bye.